So in this class, we work with our hands. We install fixtures. We learn how to connect PVC, how to connect PEX. We learn to work on toilets and sinks. You don't have to have a lot of experience. So again, we work with like soldering. We learn with forge to solder copper. We learn how to install fixtures, how to run the drain lines and the water lines for the fixtures. So in my eyes, my goal is to get you a job in the field during the school year, and then after that you will continue that, the skills that you learned here, you'll continue that into the workforce, and hopefully you'll have a job offer by the time you're done the program.